Welcome everyone to tomorrow's Women Ready Steady Cook. And today cooking up for you we have Nicky F. And Nicky B. Okay, so we've got choy sauce, which has refreshing mustard, peppery flavoured leaves. Okay, what are you going to cook?
So I'm thinking maybe some seasoned crispy pork in a honey, soy and choy dressing.
Okay.
With some sautéed vegetables and salt, garlic and chilli, potatoes.
I'm going to beat the pork up. I'm going to fry it.
Fry it.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Get a bit of crisp going on it.
Nice.
Some herbs, a bit of seasoning.
Okay.
I think with the potatoes, I'm going to wedge them up a little bit. But very
Lovely.
small because we want to cook this in only...
30 minutes.
Yeah. But I'm going to throw in the vegetables with the meat.
Okay. Well, I'm going to say, ready, steady, cook! Five, 4, 3, 2.
Crispy coated pork with a honey and soy dressing, sautéed peas with carrots and honey, and salt, pepper and chilli potato chips.
Belly pork crackling, so that's been roasted in the oven with the wedges with honey, salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic and just a little bit of oil. Carrots with a spring onion and used a bit of the flavour. Mint and pink stir fry with the pork.